This is Sevakant Pathak, T2 Energy Science and Engineering. I hope that you are stay safe at your home, following, obeying lockdown and happy at your home. Today, we will discuss about the nuclear power reactor India. Children, we are knowing nuclear power stations are one important source to produce electricity. About 10% of electricity is produced in the world by nuclear power stations, reactors. Most nuclear electricity is generated using just two kind of reactors, which is developed in the beginning of 1950s. Actually, new design and its operation proves the first generation of reactor at the end of their operating lifetime. A nuclear reactor produces electricity by controlled chain reaction by the phenomena of nuclear fission. In a nuclear power reactor, energy released in form of heat, which is used to produce superheated steam, and this superheated steam enter into the turbine to operate the generator to produce electricity. There are various type of nuclear reactor in the India. First of all, I want to see the most important component of the nuclear reactor in any part of the world. The first thing is very important is fuel. In whole of the world, maximum uranium-238 is used as a basic fuel in form of uranium oxide. It is arranged in a tube from the fuel rod. The rods are arranged into the fuel assemblies in the core of reactor. The second most important component is moderator. Actually, the work of moderator is to slow down the neutrons. This slow down the neutrons is used to control the rate of reaction inside the core. Normally it is used heavy water or graphite. Another important component is control rod. These control rods are neutron absorbing material, normally cadmium, boron, hafnium. These type of elements are used. This control rod is also used to control the rate of reaction. In some special type of PWR reactor, special control rods are used to enable in the core to sustain the controlled chain reaction. Another important part of the nuclear reactor is coolant. Coolant, as we know that when this reactions takes place, heat is evolved. Total heat is not utilized to convert in form of electrical energy. Some of the heat is dissipated. This heat is absorbed by circulating fluid system just above the surface of core. It transfer heat. Normally, cold water is used as a coolant in most of the nuclear reactor. Another important component is pressure tubes. Usually it is a robust steel vessel containing the reactor core and moderator coolant. Steam generator. When fission reactions takes place inside the core of nuclear reactor, heat evolved in this case, and this heat is used to convert water into superheated steam. This superheated steam is allowed to pass through the generator, and turbine runs and produces electricity. Fueling of nuclear power reactors. Once nuclear reactor is completely fueled, it takes 12, 18, sometimes 24 months to refuel. When a quarter to a third of the fuel assemblies are replaced with fresh one, if graphite or heavy water is used as a moderator, it is possible to run a power reactor of natural instead of enriched uranium. The power rating of nuclear reactor. The power rating of a nuclear reactor takes place, we are taking by 3 ways. In that, first one, which is much more important in this case, is thermal MWT, which depends on the design of actual nuclear reactor itself and relates the quality and quantity of steam it produces in it. Just watch this diagram. In this diagram, this blue portion is thermal MWT, where fission reactions takes place here connected with this system inside that, and whatever heat is produces, this water converted in superheated steam by this way. This is the one of the quality of any nuclear reactor depends upon the quality of this thermal MWT. Second one, by which the power rating of nuclear power reactor is calculated, that is gross electrical MWE, which indicates that power produced by the attachment steam turbine and generator, and also takes into account the ambient temperature for the condenser. See in this diagram, this gross MWP is this portions. Generator. This generator steam portion, the first parameter, here is connected with the generator. Generator is operated by this superheated steam. Superheated steam is used as a fuel to run the generator. So the quality of generator is also determines the power rating of any nuclear reactor. Third one, which is also important, that is MWE, net electrical MWE, which is the power available to be sent out from the plant to grid after deducting the electrical power needed to run the reactor. Here, whatever power is generated by this generator, the third rating is due to its distribution system, how it is divided and distributed to ultimate household and industry supplies wherever it is needed. So these are the 3 parameters through which quality of or power rating of any nuclear power station is determined. There are various type of nuclear reactor. The one is pressurized water reactor PWR. It is most common type with over 280 operable reactor to power generator and several hundred more employed for naval propulsion. The design of this type of reactor is submarine power plant. Here, a PWR has fuel assemblies of 200 to 300 rods, each arranged vertically in the core, and a large reactor would have about 150 to 250 fuel assemblies with 80 to 100 tons of uranium. It is very heavy type of, big type of nuclear reactor. There is another type also. Boiling water reactor. Before boiling water reactor, once more you want to see a pressurized water reactor PWR is of this design. It is most common nuclear reactor around the world. This is steam generator. It is core of the nuclear reactor where fission process takes place inside this large cylindrical. This is outsealed of nuclear power station. Let's see the second type, that is boiling white water reactor BWR. Its design is steel pressure vessel. The whole takes place. The water and the core is under the same cylinder. Fuel element, water. This is a coolant. Move in this control rod. The speciality of this nuclear reactor is this: it acquires a small space and all the processes takes place under one cylinder. See this. It designed in 1950s in Canada, and it is running in India from 1980s. Naturally, uranium is used as a fuel. This uranium is in form of oxide, uranium oxide. Heavy water deuterium oxide is used as a moderator in this. There is another type of nuclear reactors also, a pressurized heavy water reactor, PHWR. See, this is here. This fission process takes place just outside the cylinder. Heavy water is here, takes place here. This is steam. This steam is used to go in generators to produce electricity. This superheated steam is used as a fuel to run generator. This superheated steam enter into heavy generators, a pellets of a generator, which operated by superheated steam in the case. Another is advanced gas cooled reactor. In above all the reactor, the coolant is used water. Cold water is used as a coolant because we know that water has maximum specific heat capacity. But in the advanced gas cooled reactor, gas is used as a coolant, and in this carbon dioxide is used as a primary coolant. It is the second generation nuclear reactor. Here graphite is used as a moderator. Uranium oxide is used as a fuel. Its thermal efficiency is about 41%. The design of advanced gas cooled reactor are here is given in this diagram. See, this is the concrete outside fence to make safe from the nuclear hazard, just like as alpha, beta and gamma particles. This is a graphite rod, core of the nuclear reactor where fission process takes place. This is the steam generator rods. Steam is went through it. Some more version of the model of nuclear reactors are available. Light water graphite moderator reactor, LWGR. This is the modified version of the previous one, an advanced gas cooled reactor, AGR. Here light water graphite moderator reactor. Light water graphite is used for the moderating purpose. Graphite moderator. Advanced reactor is the advanced reactor. Several advanced reactor belongs to this category. Some other fast neutrons reactors are also available. Floating nuclear power plants are there. The lifetime of nuclear reactor is more or less in between a range of 30 to 40 year operating lives. This cost of producing electricity through nuclear power station is much less than hydro project and coal project, thermal power project. Once it is set up, no need to invest much more money to produce electricity. In this, primary coolant normally in this water or heavy water is used. Carbon dioxide is sometimes also used to this. Sodium is normally used to fast neutron reactor around 550 degrees Celsius. And natural fuel cycle waste and proliferation, these topics we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.